Welcome to RAO'S Academy for Competitive Examinations. This is Eswar Kumar. So finally here, wait is over. Finally, our Union Public Service Commission has issued notification related to civil services examination. So through this notification, UPSC is going to recruit officers for the services like All India Services and Central Services. Like All India Services are IAS, IPS, IFS, and the remaining like IRS, all these are central services, right? So let us see. So in this video, we will cover like what are the books that are needed to get the success in this examination, and also strategy, and I will explain about some important major changes that was brought by UPSC while applying for this notification, right? So let us start without any delay. So see here, first thing is that UPSC exam dates 2025 as per the notification. So here notification was released on 22nd Jan of 2025, and coming to here, when we can apply, we can apply from 22nd Jan of 2025 onwards itself. So here the last date for the application is 11 February 2025. And when will be the exam? Exam will be on 25th May of 2025. So on 25th May of 2025, preliminary exam is going to be happen in India. Okay, so in India, in almost major cities, it will be happen. And coming to here, UPSC mains will be from 22nd August of 2025. So coming to here, one thing you have to know that apply for this examination as early as possible. Don't wait for 11th February. Sometimes you may experience server issues. Okay, so if more people going to apply on the last day of application date, then server will be very busy. Sometimes you may not apply, you may not get the chance to apply for this examination, because we are seeing every year many students are not able to apply because they are waiting for the last date. And so if more students occupy the server, then automatically server will fail, and you cannot apply for the examination. So hurry up, apply for this examination as soon as possible. And coming to here, one more thing. So date, and we know that date is the 25th May of 2025. And coming to here, number of papers. So for prelims examinations, you have to write two papers. One paper is a general studies. And the second paper is a CSAT. So general studies paper comprises of, means you have to attempt 100 questions. You have to write 100 questions, and marks is 200 marks. Okay, so and it also duration is 2 hours. Exam will be happen from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It is for general studies. That is nothing but paper 1, 200 marks. Number of questions is 100, and coming to her duration is 2 hours. Exam will be conducted from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And on the same day afternoon, CSAT will happen. That is a general studies of paper 2. That is nothing but paper 2. So its marks is 200 marks. Number of questions will be 80 questions, and the time duration is same 2 hours, and exam will be happen from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay. So for paper 1 you have to attempt 100 questions, and paper 2 you have to attempt 80 questions. Okay. So here, for example, if you see here, so here each question carries 2 marks in paper 1, and whereas in the paper 2 each question carries 2.5 marks, because 80 questions you have to write, so for 200 marks, right? So that's the thing. And coming to here, medium of examination, so it will happen in English and Hindi, both the mediums. And coming to, is there any negative mark? Definitely. And negative mark is there, that is a 1/3. Negative mark is a 1/3 of the maximum marks for the question. For example, if the mark, like for each and every question, marks will be awarded 2 marks. If you attempt the question And if it was wrong, then 1/3 from the 2 marks will be deducted. Okay, so that's the thing. Means whatever the you marks you secured from the right answers for the remaining questions, in that 1/3 of 2 marks will be reduced. Okay, so that's the thing. So almost 0.66 marks will be reduced from the score what you have achieved for the remaining questions. And coming to here, so is it the prelims counted for ranking for the merit? Definitely no. So just prelims is the qualifying paper. If you meet the cutoff which was released by UPSC, then you can attempt for mains examination. So just it is a qualifying paper. Okay, so no need to get 200 by 200. If you can get, but no need. So just you have to cross that cutoff. Okay, so that's the thing. And coming to here, so how many vacancies? So as per the notification, 979 vacancies released by UPSC. In the future, it may increase, but may not be decrease, but it may increase, because we have seen that in the last year also some additional posts were added to the notification. So maybe this year also there is a chance of enhancement of the vacancies. So as of now, as per the notification, 979 vacancies we have. And coming to here, so how we can apply? So this year UPSC had brought some changes, that is OTR. So if you want to apply for the examination, you have to fill the OTR, one time registration form. Okay, so for that you have to open this website, you have to click on the link, like it is like upsconline.gov.in. in that window you will find this one. Okay, so it is a OTR window, one time registration window. So here you have to give all your details. Okay, so after that, giving all the details, you are able to apply for the examination. And coming to here, so here eligibility criteria. So what is the minimum age to apply for UPSC for general candidate? 21 years. You have to get 21 years. OBC as well as SC/ST also, minimum age to apply for UPSC is 21 years. And coming to her maximum age, what is the maximum age? For general candidates, 32 years. For OBC candidates, 35 years. For SC/ST, it is 37 years. For SC/ST, 37 years. Okay, so it is the maximum age. But coming to her attempts, for example, SC/ST, they don't have limit. For OBC, we have 9 attempts. Coming to SC/ST, there is no limits. So unlimited attempts. So until they reach the 37 years of age, they can apply for the UPSC. That's the thing. And one more thing. So major changes in UPSC examination is that we have to fill the OTR, and also in that we have to give employment information. In that you have to give current and past roles, and also achievement prizes, medals and others in the first phase. And a record of academic, extracurricular and professional achievements you have to give in the OTR. Okay, so that is the thing. And coming to here, what is the eligibility? So who can attempt, who can write prelims? One thing is that they should have age of 21 years, more than 21 years. And for general candidates, 32 years, and OBC 35, and SC/ST 37 years. So related to age limit, that is the age limit. And coming to your qualification, what is the qualification? The person, any person who have completed his degree can appear for UPSC civil service examination. Okay, so degree from a recognized university or equivalent. Okay, so like degrees, like we can say that medical degree, doctor, lawyers, engineers, chartered accountants, anyone can write this examination. And after that, one more thing is that relaxation. Okay, so like relaxation, SC/ST 5 years of relaxation means, see, you can see, so 32 years is the upper age limit for general candidates. So here for every category they have given some relaxation, like SC/ST 5 years of relaxation means 32 plus 5, 37. So age limit is 37 years. For OBC, 35. And defense services personnel, 3 years. Means 32 plus 3, how much? 35. And coming to ex-servicemen, including commissioned officers and commissioned officers, like 5 years. Means 32 plus 5, 37 years of age. And a hearing problem, deaf, low vision, ex-serviceman, blindness, muscle deformity. So 10 years. Age relaxation is 10 years. Means 32 plus 10, how much? 42 years. So it is the upper age limit. By this age, a person who has in between 21 and these years, they can apply for the UPSC examination. And also, you know, we know that UPSC is the world's toughest exam. Not a joke, I am not joking. It is the world's toughest exam, right? And a nationality for the UPSC exam. A candidate should be either citizen of India, means he should have citizenship of Nepal, either India, Nepal or Bhutan. And also a Tibetan refugee who came over to India before January 1st, 1962. Okay, so with the intention of permanently settling in India. So the person who belongs to previously Tibet, he migrated to India before January 1st, 1962. Then he can apply for the UPSC if he was a permanent settler in India and migrated from Malawi, Uganda, Kenya, Zambia, Myanmar, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Ethiopia, Tanzania, Vietnam and Niger. So these persons also can appear for UPSC Civil Services examination. Okay, so that's the thing. And one more information, like coming to syllabus for general studies, paper 1. So here the syllabus as per the UPSC is that one thing they have mentioned, current affairs. Current affairs events of national and international. So we have to read current affairs of national and international. What is the source for this? Just follow RAO'S Academy magazines. So we are releasing magazines, and also I'm taking current affairs classes in our platform. So you can blindly follow me. You can follow me as well as our magazines. And also you can get you will get daily inputs in our Telegram channels and also WhatsApp community groups. So you can join in them. Okay. And coming to here, history of India and Indian national movement. So what is the book that you need to refer here? You can refer Spectrum. And some more sources released by Government of India. They were NCRT. So read NCRT of 11th and 12th class. Okay, they are the sources for this history. And coming to India and world geography, physical, social and economic geography of India and the world. So for that, what we have to refer? You can refer like my notes. Okay, I will provide the notes. Okay, you can refer my notes, you can refer my classes, as well as that some books like NCRT books. Refer NCRT books of 6th class to 12th class. Along with that, you can refer Majid Hussain, Indian Geography and World Geography by Majid Hussain, Fuller. Okay, and also along with that, you can refer GC Long and follow one map. Okay, maybe most probably you can follow like Oxford Publications map. Coming to Indian polity and governance. So constitution, political system, Panchayati Raj, public policy and rights issues. So for the Indian polity and governance, you can follow Lakshmikant book. And also if you want additional sources, you can follow DD Basu along with NCRT. Don't forget to read NCRTs. NCRTs are the most essential books to cover the syllabus of UPSC. Clear? So we have seen that directly questions are coming from NCRT textbooks. Directly questions for prelims and mains are coming from the NCRTs. Okay, so that's why NCRT plays a major role in cracking the UPSC, and also NCRTs enhances your foundation, basics. Without the basics, you cannot do anything. So for construction of any building, what you should have, what we have to do, we have to put strong foundation. So for cracking the UPSC, what you should have a strong basics. How you will get the basics? by following NCRT textbooks. Okay, and also RAO'S also launched a course for what? NCRT Foundation. So already classes are going on, like history and polity classes were started. And geography classes, I'm going to handle geography of NCRT of 6th class to 12th class. It has almost 920 pages. Related to geography, it has 920 pages. I'm going to cover that 920 pages of uh, pages within 40 sessions. Okay, so that's the thing. So, and also I will display the beautiful animations as well, next after that. And one more thing, economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographic, social sector, institutes, etc. So what you have to follow, just read NCRTs of 11th and 12th. Read NCRTs of 11th and 12th of economy. Okay, so along with that, you can refer RAO'S material, RAO'S Academy booklets you can refer, and also you can refer the like reports released by Reserve Bank of India, Niti Aayog and Government of India, and also along with it you have to refer the budget and survey released by Ministry of Finance. Okay, and also just for the basics, to get the basic like definition, to know the definitions, go for the Ramesh Singh book or else Nitin Singhania book. Okay, and coming to here, general issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, climate change. Okay, so for this topic you can refer Shankaran IAS Academy textbook. Okay, so for that you can refer this. For environment and ecology you can refer Shankaran IAS book. And coming to here, general science, what is the source? NCRTs. Okay, so refer NCRTs for general science. And one more thing is that coming to CSAT, which is a paper 2, So here the syllabus is that comprehension, interpersonal skills, including communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, basic numeracy, numbers and their relations, orders of magnitude. So class 10 level. So for these, what you can refer, you can go for R.S. Agarwal. Aptitude, quantitative aptitude and reasoning by R.S. Agarwal, SN publication. You can refer those books. Okay, and also we will provide material as well if you need. Next, important points. So for every incorrect answer, 1/3 mark of the total marks will be reduced. Okay, for the blank answers, no marks will be reduced. Okay, so if you don't know the answer, if you left that question, if you leave that question, then there won't be any penalty, and also there won't be any marks allocation for that question. If you attempt and if it was wrong, then 1/3 of secured marks will be reduced. Okay, means 1/3 of 2. Okay, so like 0.66 marks will be reduced here. Okay, so like for 2 marks, negative mark is 0.66 marks. In CSAT paper, each question carries 2.5 marks, so negative marking is like 0.833 marks. Okay, so and finally here the prelims paper will not be included in merit. Just prelims is a qualifying nature. Okay, and also one more thing you have to remember, that CSAT paper is also qualifying paper. Okay, so you have at least you have to get 33% of 200 marks. Okay, so CSAT is also qualifying paper, as well as prelims is also qualifying paper for up to appear for mains examinations. Clear? Next after that, so like a salary. So if you are selected for IPS, means your rank is suitable for IPS posting. So these are the salaries, basic pays. So if you are posted as a DSP in the state cadre, 56,100 rupees pay. Additional SP, 67,700. Senior Superintendent of Police, 78,000. DI, Deputy Inspector General of Police, 1,31,100 rupees. So these are the salaries. So DGP, like a 2,25,000 salary. Okay, so these are the basic pays, not the total pay. These are the basics. Additionally, you will get some amount. Okay, and after that, so finally, our RAO'S Academy came forward with test series. Okay, so so your receipt to sure success at UPSC Prelims 2025. We came out with the comprehensive test series, which is going to be conducted from 27th January of 2025. Okay, so in that we will provide 35 tests, 18 sectional tests, 9 full length tests, FLTs, 6 CSAT tests, and 2 grand tests. So test will cover entire UPSC syllabus which was discussed in the previous slides. And coming to here, exhaustive explanation in the PDF and video coverage of important topics, one-to-one mentorship by senior faculties and bureaucrats. And one more thing you have to know that RAO'S Academy for competitive examinations is run by senior bureaucrats like Dr. M. Mohan Rao, sir, IAS officer, and Aruna Mohan Rao, ma'am, IPS officer. Okay, so they will guide each and every student personally because already they were selected experienced bureaucrats. Okay, and fees is also very low. The fees is like 3,999 online, and offline is 5,999. Okay, and after that it is a timetable. So exam will be started on from 27 January of 2025, like history, geography, polity, economy, science and tech, ecology and environment, GS, CSAT. These are the FLTs. Okay, so and one more thing, along with that UPSC test series, APPSC and TGPSC Group 1, Group 2 classes will be started from 11th February of 2025. If you have any queries, you are free to contact us. So here are the contact numbers. So these are the contact numbers, and also contact numbers were provided below, scrolling down. So just you can contact to them if you have any queries. Okay, so this is the information related to notification of UPSC 2025. And also every day we will come out with new initiatives to make every aspirant as an officer. So finally, RAO'S Academy for competitive exams is the motto is that your success, our priority is a motto. So finally, you have to get the success if your student get the success. Okay, so that's the thing. So finally, always RAO'S Academy will be behind you to make you to get to reach to we will make you to reach your ambition. Thank you so much, and we will meet in the next video. This is Ishwar Kumar